Hello, I welcome you once again to my channel using technology to earn a living. And today, guess what? I'm going to teach you how to design a wedding card or wedding invitation using the Canva application. So, this is the home page of the Canva application. I'm going to scroll down to the invitation column. This is invitations in square. Then we have invitations in portrait. So I'm going to select the portrait one. If you want to see the other invitations we have, you can click on or select see all. So the see all will enable the computer to display all the wedding cards we have in the Canva application. So that is it. That is it. So beautiful. I want to pick this one specifically. Like I said earlier and in my previous videos, if you are selecting the one with paid, you can use them, but they have a watermark on the background. So if you want to avoid the watermark, please don't select the paid ones. But for those who have credit card, you can use your credit card to pay, so you can have a full access on the templates that they have in the Canva application. So I'm going to select my card. So that is my card. All I need to do now is to edit it, change the informations we have here, and that is all. Now I can see that I want to start changing the name, and I cannot change because we have together with their families. Okay, who is that? Kojo and Ama. So I want to do this card for a sibling. That is for a sibling, and I want to change the name. Currently, you can see that as I'm selecting it, I cannot pick the name. So we have a command that enables you to do that, and you have to click on the three dots beside the delete symbol here, and that gives you what do you want to do. We have send to back, and we have send backward. Okay, so send backward should allow me now. Okay, so I have to send this one to send backward. Send backward. Okay, let's use. Okay, so that one is cool. So now I can have access to this. So let's select here, bring to front. Okay, so that's bring to front. And let me give this one also bring to front and end, bring to front. Then number two, you have to lock the background so that when you are moving your names and the other thing to not affect it. So I have to move down here and select lock. Okay, then select this one as well. Move down here and select lock. What else do I want to lock? I want to lock this design here. There's a line here. Okay, so select this line, move down, 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 and lock. So now I can change the name. So that is Abraham. Abraham. And comforts. Okay, so request the pleasure of your company at the celebrate of their I think the presentation here, I don't like it, so I want to take away some of the things. So the family of Abraham. So this should be the families of Abraham and Jidula invites then you to there. So let's take off this from here. Invite you to there. So I'm going to duplicate this because I loved it. So invite you to there. Invite you to there. That's marriage ceremony. Okay, so I'm expanding this and reducing the font as well. It's too big. So you can have the marriage ceremony. Okay, so let me pick this and duplicate it. It's how to add more text. Edit. The invites you to the marriage ceremony between their son and daughter. Okay, so expand this, put this here. Okay, now you can see that the text is too much at the top there, so I have to close the line spacing. So you come to lines spacing and reduce the line spacing. So you see my text is reducing the line spacing. Okay, that is okay now. So the families of Abraham and Jidula invites you to the marriage ceremony between their son and daughter. So I can now bring the name Abraham. Oh, that's undo. I deleted something. And that's Abraham. Specifically, the name should be Felix. Doing that. Felix. Okay. And okay, let me take off this line. I don't need it anymore. Felix and comfort. Okay, so what I'm going to do specifically is to reduce some of these things a little bit. So font size, let's reduce this a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so that we can have at least 2 lines of this. Okay. Okay, that is it. Okay, so 2 lines of this at the top there. Then okay, between the sun. So it's Felix and okay. So I'm moving this backwards. Okay, so that is it. So I want to change the color. I think this flower here is not needed. Like, can we delete this? Yes. I can. Let's move Felix away a little bit. Okay, so move this away. Okay, so I can delete this. I think this flower is not needed here. Maybe we can put it at the bottom here. Let's bring this line back. Okay, so the flower can be at the corner here. That'll be fine. Okay, so I want to use gold color for Felix. This is how to change color, and pick gold. That gold is okay. This okay. Then end comfort. So, and I want to use gold again for comfort. Remember, we are using a brighter color. So that is it. We don't need this anymore. Confirm date. So dates, then so that should be, want to get a date. Date should be that is 3rd December 2022 at Paradise International Hohwe Voter Region. Okay, let's make it off the full dome road. Okay, so I think the voter region should be taken off from the card. Okay, so that is it. 3rd December 2022 at Paradise International Hallway off the Fodome Road. Okay, so that is it. Then you are cordially invited. You are cordially invited. Okay, so that's very beautiful. Also, I'm done with my card. If I realize these writings are not big, all I need to do is to make them big. So I am done with my wedding invitation card. In fact, I don't need any picture on it. I'm okay with what I have here. So beautiful. I want to move this end away a little bit. So that is it for a brother. That is it for a brother. Undo. I think my line is off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's get a line somewhere here. And we can bring this back. And that is all. Okay, so bring it down a little bit. In fact, this should take us less than 30 minutes to design. And if only you can follow the steps. So this is how to use the Canva app to design a wedding invitation based on the kind of wedding invitation you want to design. In fact, I have a lot of spaces I can add RSVP, but I'm okay with what I've done now. If you want to bold it, go to format and select bold. So you see that it has just bolded the image. After that, I can close it, and that is all Now I save my image, so you see it's saving based on the network you have and how fast the network is. It will display, or you may not see it at all. It may disappear from. Okay, so now it has appeared, so that shows that my network is working. And like I said in my earlier videos, sometimes the moment you see it means that the computer have already saved your work, and that is it. Let's move to my picture gallery and check to see whether it has been saved. Not yet. It's still processing. It's processing. Wow, as you can see, it has finished saving and my wedding card is saved on the system. Watch out for my next lesson on how to design a certificate using the Canva application. Thank you. Bye bye.